Friends, it's a new tutorial about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to turn on the TikTok notifications at all. So guys, sometimes I know that the notifications from TikTok are so annoying, and if you will go to the application and will go also to the settings, find the notifications option, you will see that we don't have the feature to disable the notifications at all. You can only manage them. You can disable, for example, notifications on some topic, for example, for likes, for comments, for followers, etc. But how to disable TikTok alerts at all for the whole app? So if you have an Android, you can also find the same settings on your phone, but right now I will show you how to do it on iPhone. So guys, we need to go to the settings and find the TikTok application customizations. You can go to your Android settings and go to the app settings and also find the TikTok application there. So guys, let's click on it. And here we have a lot of different features like location, contacts, photos, etc. We are interested in only notifications. And here we have the first option, allow notifications. Let's disable this feature and block the alert options for the TikTok at all. Yes. So guys, from now on this option is absolutely blocked and you won't get any alerts, as I said before, and messages from this application. I hope that this tutorial was definitely short but useful, and don't forget to check our other guides on the TikTok to find even more interesting features about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, bye bye.